Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Crypto Pilipinas, and today guys we have found another potential gainers here in the following weeks, months or so. Before anything else, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. For this video was made for entertainment and educational purposes only. Invest at your own risk. Alright, so without further ado, here's the new gem that I found. Hummingbird Finance Token, HMNG. This is Shiv and RFI fork with better tokenomics with HMNG. You don't need to stake or add liquidity to the pool. For reward tokens, just hold them and earn free tokens in every transaction. Hummingbird Finance contract is designed to apply 3% tax to every transaction. So guys, value still, see, still 8.0. So probably this is in 10. So this is one of the token that we have found this day. And also there will be another token that I would like to discuss in a few more days. So that's it guys. So I hope that you like this episode, and excuse me. Total token circulating supply is, so this is total token circulating supply. Read more about them and check them out on Twitter. So have a great day. God bless you all. Keep safe.